Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So I wanted to make some fried fish for dinner tomorrow. So basically I'm making some pickled peppers and onions. So let's get started. Alright, so in this jar right here, let me move some stuff out the way. I should have clearly moved it out the way before. In here I have peppers, onions, one large clove of garlic smashed, and a big thyme leaf right here. I have a star anise pod. I have 3 pimento seeds. I have white vinegar, and I have red wine vinegar. Alright, so in this pot right here, I have 1 cup of sugar. To this, I'm going to add a half a cup of white vinegar. And I'm also going to add a half a cup of this red wine vinegar. So it's going to basically equal out to a cup, if I can get it out. Then you're also going to put your star anise pod and your pimento seeds down in here. And a nice big teaspoon of salt. For this recipe, it should be more salt, but as you guys know, I watch my salt because of my health conditions. But, you know, you could taste it. But I'm only putting a teaspoon of salt into mine. And I'm going to put this on the stove, heat it up really well, maybe a slight simmer, and then we're going to pour it on here. Alright you guys, so I'm just going to take my hot liquid and pour it right over my peppers and onions. I'm going to close it up, let it cool, and then I'm going to pop it in the refrigerator. Tomorrow when I fry my fish and put this with it, you guys will be able to see the next video as to what I do with it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. It's easy and simple. You can't mess it up. Takes a few minutes. And I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.